Good morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College Lucknow. Children, I am Shalini Mehrotra. Today we will read the poem The Way Through the Woods, and it is composed by Rudyard Kipling. And children, this is a nice poetry about the lost road. It has a mystery. It has something very mysterious in it. So let us see. So children, in this poem, the poet remembers his early life when he has seen the forest and enjoyed the most by walking through it. The poet still remembers the road. There was a road and he has enjoyed walking through the road. They shut the road through the woods 70 years ago. Now this road has been shut by the people 70 years back. Weather and rain have undone it again, and now you would never know there was once a road through the woods. Weather conditions, rainfall, everything has blocked the road and the road is not seen now. There was once a road through the woods. Through the forest there was a road. Before they planted the trees, it is underneath the coppice and heath. Before they planted the trees, long time back, when some people planted the trees, they were the small trees. Now the small bushes or small saplings, they have grown into tall trees. And the road is not seen now. It is underneath the coppice. Coppice are, children, the undergrowth and small trees. They are the like shrubs. And heath is, they are the flat pieces of land which have covered the road. And the thin anemones. Anemones are the shrubs that have covered the road. Only the keeper sees that where the ringed dove broods. Now who knows about the road? Those who have seen it. Only the keepers. Those who are the keepers there. Those who have seen the road. That where the ringed dove broods. Dove is a bird. They also know the presence of the bird. And the badgers roll at ease. Badger is an animal, children. Like in Hindi we call it udbilau. He rolls. No, badger is like a bear, children. Sorry. And it rolls. It enjoys the life and it rolls on the ground. There was once a road through the woods. Now the badger is rolling. The birds are there. But nobody knows about the lost road. There was a road through the woods. Yes, if you enter the woods of a summer evening late, when the night air cools on the drought-ringed pools. Now the poet is saying that if you enter the woods, if you enter the forest on a summer evening late, during the late summer evening, when the night is cool then, and on the trout-ringed pools. Trout is a fish. It is splashing in the pools and moving round and round and enjoying. Where the otter whistles his mate. Now this otter is like, I was telling you, like an udbilau in Hindi, and it is whistling and calling his mate or the partner. They fear not men in the woods, because they see so few. Now these animals, and they are not fearful for men because they haven't seen the men in the woods or in the forest. You will hear the beat of a horse's feet. Now the writer is saying, the poet is saying, if you hear the beat, if you hear the voice of a horse's feet, horses के feet की, the sound of the feet of the horse, and the swish of a skirt in the dew. Dew drops, children, जो ओस की बूंदें जिसको बोलते हैं, and you see those dewdrops steadily cantering through, and through that the sound of the steadily is a sound made by the horse's feet. Cantering is the galloping sound. The horse is making that sound. That sound is tuck tuck tuck. You can hear that sound in the misty solitudes. Misty is the जिसको आप धुंध बोलते हैं. So you can hear the sound in that. Solitude is loneliness. You are hearing that sound of the feet of the horse in the loneliness, as though they perfectly knew, as though everybody knew the old lost road through the woods. They knew that some time back, there was a road through the woods. Now, but there is no road through the woods. Everybody knows that there was a road through the woods, but now the visibility is not there, and nobody sees that road through the woods, through that forest. That road is not visible. So children, I hope you have understood this very nice poem about the lost road. Just go through this poem and do write the difficult words in your copies. And thanks a lot children for watching this video. Have a good day. Goodbye.